morning, Junior 3. Please bring your booklet and open page 72. We are in lesson 113. Our lesson today is talking about ordering a fraction on the number line. Here, in number 1, I want to label 3/5 on the number line. This number line is divided into 5 parts. It is started from 0 and end with 1. Okay, now I will write the fractions. Here, the first fraction will be 0/5, which equal 0, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and the last one, 5/5, which equal 1. Here he wants 3/5. 3/5 is here, so we will make a circle on it. Label 5/8 on the number line. This number line divided into 8 parts, starting from 0 until 1. Okay, so it will be starting from 0, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8 until we reach 8, 8. Where is 5, 8 in this number line? It's here, so we will make a circle on it. Here, 3/4. Okay, so we will write the fraction of this number line. 0, 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. We need 3/4, so we will make a circle on it. Here he wants to label 2 6s on this number line. So we will start from 0 6s, 1 6s, 2 6s, 3 6s, 4 6s, 5 6s, and the last one 6 6s. He needs 2 6s, so we will make a circle on 2 6s. Here he wants to label 3 8s. In this number line, we will write the fractions first. It's divided into 8 parts, starting from 0, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, until we reach 8, 8. He needs 3 8s. 3 8s is here, so we will make a circle on it. Here he wants to label 2/5. Okay, so we will start from 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. Where is 2/5? 2/5 is here. We will make a circle on it. Here he wants to label 1/3. So I will start from 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Where is 1/3? 1/3 is here, so we will make a circle on it. Label 8/10. Okay, this number line divided into 10 parts, so we will write the fractions first. 0/10, 1/10, 2/10, until we reach 10/10. Where is 8/10? It's here, so we will make a circle on it. Now, open page 78 in your booklet. Now it's puzzle time. Find the answer of the riddle below in the table. If you look to this table, we have 6 numbers and we want to choose only one number from this. So we must use these questions to find the right answers. Here, he said in number 1, I am worth more than 300. Okay, this is meaning the number must be more than 300. 300 is 3,000, so we need number more than 3,000. So we will cancel any number smaller than 3,000. We have here any number smaller than 3,000? No. Okay, so we will look to number 2. I am less than 7,000 once. The number must be smaller than 7,000. So we will cancel any number greater than 7,000. If you look here, we have 7,185. It's greater than 7,000. So we will cancel this number. Then my 10th digit is greater than my ones. The 10th must be greater than the ones. So we will cancel any number. It's the 10th smaller than its ones. Look to here. 3,726. 2 here in the 10th is smaller than the ones, smaller than 6. So we will cancel it. Here, the 10th is 9 and the ones is 0. So it's right. Here I need the 10th smaller than the ones. Look to the 10th here. It's 2 and the ones is 3. So it is smaller. So we will cancel this number. Here, the 10th is 2 and the ones is 8. It's smaller, so we will cancel this. Here, The tens is 2 and the ones is 5, so we will cancel 5,925. Now we have only one number. If you look here, he said again, I am a multiple of 5. And we take it before multiples of 5, must it tens it once be 0 or 5. Okay, so the right answer here must be 5,290. Now here, select the correct answer from a choice of 8 possibilities. He said, I am larger than 400,000. This is meaning the answer must be greater or larger than 400,000. So we will cancel any number smaller than 400,000. So here we have 392,137. We will cancel this number. And here we have 49,283. We will cancel this. And we have 386,249. We will cancel this. Okay, look to number 2. I am less than 500,000. The number must be less than 500,000. So we will cancel any number greater than 500,000. Look here, we have 542,109. It's greater. We will cancel this number. Then I am odd. To know the number is odd or even, the unit or ones must be odd. It's odd. Or its ones must be even to be even. Here he needs the number odd. So we will cancel any number its ones is even. Look here, the ones here is even, so we will cancel this number. We have any number its ones even. Look here, 1 is odd, 7 is odd, and 1 is odd. Now we will read again. My 100 digit is my smallest digit. The 100 must be the smallest digit. Look here. Can we say that 3 is the smallest digit here? No, 0 is the smaller, so we will cancel this number. Here, 0 is the smallest digit? Yes. Here, 1 is the smallest digit? No, we have 0, so we will cancel this number. So now we have only one number, it's 413,077. So it is the right answer. Now here, I am a 6-digit number, okay? We will look to the numbers we have. All these numbers are 6-digit, okay? So we will look to number 2. I am larger than 500,000. So we will cancel any number smaller than 500,000. Here we have 428,361. We will cancel this number. And we have 425,581. So we will cancel these two numbers. Then he said, my 100,000 digit is even. The 100,000 must be even, so we will cancel any number. It's 100,000 is odd. Look here, it's 100,000 is odd. Look here, the 100,000 is 5, so it's odd. The 100,000 here it's 5, so it's odd. The 100,000 here it's 9, so it's odd. But here it's 8 even and 6 even, so we will cancel the numbers that it's 100,000 is odd. Then my ones digit is odd. The ones must be odd, so I will cancel any number its ones is even. Look here, the ones is odd, so it's right. Here, the ones is 6 and 6 is even, so we will cancel this number. Now we have only one number, 652,927, so it is the right answer. Now open page 88. We are in lesson 117. It's talking about graph. If you look to this graph, here he tells you that the children in elementary class had a vote to find their most popular shape. Each child had 2 votes. Okay, so if you look to this graph, the first one is triangle. Okay, it reaches number 6, so it has 6 votes. In square, if you look to the bar graph we have, it's here between 8 and 10. And the number between 8 and 10, it's 9. So the vote of square is 9. Here we have rectangle. If you look to the bar graph of the rectangle, here it's between 10 and 12. So its vote must be 11. Here the pentagon, look to the bar graph of the pentagon. Here it's 8. So the vote of pentagon is 8. Hexagon, look to the bar graph. Here it reaches 14. And the last one, octagon. If you look to octagon, it will be between 4 and 6. And the number between 4 and 6 is 5. Now we will answer the questions. What was the most popular shape? The most popular shape here is hexagon because it's the greatest bar graph. What was the least popular shape? The least or popular shape here is octagon because it's the smaller one. How many vote for the pentagon? Look to pentagon, look to its bar graph. Here it reached number 8, so it was 8 votes. How many vote for the triangle? Look to triangle here, look to its bar graph. So look to the number now, it's 6. How many vote for the rectangle? Look to rectangle. It's between 10 and 12, and the number between 10 and 12 is 11. Now, I want to form a line plot and bar graph to show the following data. The following table show the number of bicycles in a bike shop sold during a period of 4 weeks. If you look to this table, we have here the number of bicycles in each week. Week 1 was, let's count with me, 5, 10, 15, and 1 it will be 16. Week 2 was 5, 10, 15. Week 3, 5, 10, 15. Week 4, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Now here, this is the line plot. First, I will write the title of this line plot. We said this line plot is talking about the number of bicycles. So here, I will write the title is the number of bicycles. Then, to write the line plot, first we will look to the table we have. And we will write starting from the smaller number we have until we reach the greatest number. Here, the smallest number is 15. So we will start from 15 and the greatest number is 20. So we will start from 15 until reach 20. So here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now I will look to this table and look to the line plot. The first number in the line plot is 15. So I will look to the table and find how many weeks have 15 bicycles. Okay, here we have 2 weeks, week 2 and week 3. So we will make 2 X's. Okay, 16. Okay, how many weeks have 16 number of bicycles? Here we have only 1 week. This is week 1, so we will make 1x. 17, we have week has number 17? No. 18? No. 19? No. And the last one is 20. We have week has 20 bicycles? Yes, we have week 4, so we will make only 1x. And here we need to write the key of each x represent. Okay, if you look here to this line plot, each x represents the number of weeks. Okay, like here 15. This is meaning how many weeks have 15 bicycles. Here we have 2 weeks. 16, we have only 1 week. So each x represents 1 week. Okay. Now we will complete. We need to draw a bar graph. First, any bar graph has 2 axes. Okay, one of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. If you look to the horizontal line, here talking about the weeks, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, so we will write its name. Then the vertical axis here, it's the number of the bicycles. Here, the first one is 16, 15, 15, and 20. So here I make counting by 5, starting from 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Here, any bar graph must have a title and the label of two axes. Okay, here, the title of this bar graph, we are talking about the number of bicycles in a bike shop. And here we have the label of each axis. This axis is talking about the number of bicycles, so I will write its name. And this axis, the horizontal axis, is talking about the weeks. Okay, so I will write its label will be weeks. Now to draw the bar graph, here first in week 1 he said it's 16 bicycles. So I will go to week 1 and color until we reach 16. But if you look to this bar graph, we don't have number 16, but we know that 16 between 15 and 20. So we will color here the first bar graph. Then week 2, it's 15, right? So I will color the bar graph until I reach the number 15. Week 3 is 15 also, so I will color it until I reach 15. Week 4 is 20, so I will color this bar graph until I reach 20. Now I can answer the question. How many bicycles were sold in the first and the third week? Look to the first week, it's 16, and the third week, it's 15. Can I make them plus? Yes. If I make 16 plus 15, it will be 31 bicycles. Now B, how many bicycles were sold in the 4 weeks together? Okay, here I will make week 1 plus week 2 plus week 3 plus week 4. So I will make 16 plus 15 plus 15 plus 20. Here the answer will be 66 because 15 and 15, 30, 30 and 20 will be 50 and 16, 66. Or you can add the ones together, 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 0, then 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2, and we have carry up 1. Now we reach our end. Thank you and see you next time.